Hi, today in front of me DooGee X97 Pro and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So just to change lock screen wallpaper, we should first open the settings and then scroll down to the display section. Then tap here to wallpaper and click to system wallpaper or local album. For example, in local album you will see all of the photos previously taken on your device camera, screenshots or downloaded from the internet photos. Also in system wallpaper, let's check. This is here we got also all of our default wallpapers. For example, let's use one from these wallpapers. Just we can see the preview of the local home screen. Tap to application and select lock screen. We can see that the wallpaper set successfully the message, so let's just lock the device to check it. As you can see, that's all simple. Also, we get one more way how we can do that. Just first we should hold for a while our home screen with a finger, then tap here to wallpapers icon and by the same way select one from these available wallpapers. Tap to just hold it for a while or just tap on it, click to lock screen, wait a second. Now I'll just lock the device and as you can see we just successfully changed our lock screen wallpaper. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.